Are you looking for a flexible way to earn money from the comfort of your own home? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll show you how you can turn your voice into a valuable asset and start making money online through voiceover work. First things first, let's talk about getting started in the world of voiceover work. The good news is, you don't need a professional studio or expensive equipment to begin. All you need is a decent microphone, a quiet space, and of course, your voice. Once you have your setup ready, it's time to build your portfolio. Start by recording samples of your voice demonstrating different styles and tones, such as narration, commercial, or character voices. These samples will showcase your versatility to potential clients. Now that you have your portfolio ready, it's time to start finding work. There are plenty of online platforms where you can find voiceover gigs such as voices.com, Fiverr, or Upwork. Be sure to create a compelling profile highlighting your skills and experience. In addition to online platforms, don't underestimate the power of self-promotion. Create a professional website or social media profiles showcasing your work, and reach out to potential clients directly. Networking with other professionals in the industry can also lead to new opportunities. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, you can start to raise your rates and attract higher-paying clients. Consider investing in further training or equipment to improve your skills and stay competitive in the market. With dedication and persistence, the sky's the limit. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can start making money online through voiceover work. Remember, success won't happen overnight, but with passion and perseverance, you can turn your voice into a lucrative career. Thanks for watching.